Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today is also another lesson regarding renewable energy resources. I think we've seen in the previous videos, we've seen different kinds of renewable energy resources, starting from bioenergy, hydropower and wind energy. And today we're going to talk about solar energy, which is like the most common and we can say widely available in the market. So I want you to focus and stay with me. And as I always say, this is like kind of introduction. I'm not going to talk about everything which is written in the Google. You can go and search, which if you feel you're a little bit confused and if you want to make it more focused. I will like this area actually, solar energy. We can do a lot of things regarding this. There is a quote in which once Thomas Edison said, it was like, I would put my money on the sun and solar energy. So you can imagine how much this energy could change our world, especially by moving into clean energy sources. So stay with me and we're going to have a good lesson here. So let's start. This is our today's lesson, solar energy. So let's start from here. Solar energy. The energy from the sun in the form of radiation is called solar energy. So it's like we don't have the sun, so the energy emitted from sun in the form of radiation, we call it solar energy. Yeah, the sun is a source of enormous energy, right? There's a huge amount of sun, what we call energy from sun, because we can say, especially in the clear skies in which there is no cloud, we have enough amount of solar. If we are good enough to convert that thing into energy, so it would be a good achievement for us, for the world. So collecting solar energy in the form of heat, using heat as such is the principle of solar energy device. That's right. There is a heat, so you can have a solar panel in which they can absorb that heat and they can store it. You can store it in any kind of storage. It could be thermal energy storage system, or you can make it store in a battery by converting the heat into electrical energy. We will see about this thing. It's kind of broad. So you can take an example: solar cooker, solar heater. These are just an example of solar energy that we are currently using. Kind of all right. So let's carry on to the next slide. Solar energy is the energy the earth receives from the sun, primarily as a visible light. Other forms of electromagnetic radiation. Yeah? There's light, at the same time there is radiation that comes from the sun. So solar technologies can harness this energy for a variety of use, including generating electricity, it's obvious, right? Providing light or a comfortable interior environment, heating water for domestic or commercial or industrial use. As long as there is heat, you can use it for directly as heat, or you can convert it to electrical energy, to thermal energy, to mechanical energy, whatever you want. It depends on the purpose of your application or on why you are really interested in this energy. It depends on that. The radiant energy emitted by sun. Yeah, I think we've seen this one, right? Solar energy have the greatest potential of all resources of universe. Yeah, I just bring this slide to show you this thing. As I said before, if we are good enough, or if we can enhance the efficiency of the existing solar panels, this one is the greatest potential that we have in order to move to net zero emission by 2050. So we need to talk about this thing, I think, how we can improve the efficiency of these panels, as long as there is a mission of doubling this efficiency by 2030, according to the Sustainable Development Goal 7.